Hey everybody, just wanted to say happy holidays and thank you so much for being part of the channel, and from everybody here at RTH Studios. Merry Christmas, and we're just so glad to have you in our lives and to be able to do this with our time full time.
Merry Christmas.
Hi. Happy holidays.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Thank you for a wonderful year of awesome creativity and community, and we look forward to next year.
These are the people that really make stuff happen. I'm the face of the channel, but these guys do most of the work. Big thank you to everybody, and really, really glad to continue doing this. I've been doing this channel for 12, 13 years now. I mean, it's insane. And we've had this company for 10 years. Just very, very thankful. We're going to be taking some time off, hanging out with our families, and I hope you get to do the same. And maybe spend some time watching some of the older videos, learning a little bit more about Resolve. And we'll be back in January making some cool videos and diving deep with all the cool things when it comes to editing and color grading and fusion and all of that stuff. So thank you guys so much, and we'll see you next year. Bye.